was sexy, then what? Everybody's gonna like zoom into my face.
Get into position, Christian. No sounds. I did that.
I'm stressing, everyone's like,
Very good, now then later. 3, 2.
So welcome back guys to SM Plumbing, a channel. Stop.
Welcome back to SM Plumbing. So let's jump into it. Follow the link above. I don't know.
Jesus.
Follow us. And what? That's detailed for all homeowners and DIYers. Let's give it a go. For who wants to give it a go? What? What is dedicated?
Alex was dedicated not what?
Dedication. Yo.
Waar ons is. Waar ons is dedikasie.
Dedikasie on
Loodgieterin.
Links.
al aspekte. Wacht een bietjie. Nee, dit is zo'n nonsens. Let's jump right into it. Welkom terug.
So serious. He's from Captain, I'm telling you now.
Ja, nee, kijk.
Wat alle fucking dingen allemaal?
Never mind. That video just followed on. Oh, is that fucking... From Captain, what is the fucking...
That's a Nigel. Nigel.
Why don't you two help each other out there?
Okay, come.
And I don't know what the shit.
Yeah, we like those.
Wait, okay, hook it on. Let's see what's the pipe here. Gus, what are you doing?
No, man, you're too far.
Nee, mijn honkbal. Kon dat come swinging in here?
Hi guys, and welcome back to SM Plumbing, the channel that covers all aspects of plumbing, from installations to renovations. So let's jump right into it. Follow this link to our new episode and series, all dedicated to hot water cylinders, aka geysers. Whether you're a DIYer or a homeowner and you want to give plumbing a go, follow our series. It's going to be fun, it's going to be great. We're going to learn where to use this, where not to use this, and make it fun.
Is jij nog een bellen?